couple months back, I was scrolling here on TikTok and I was watching a girl talk about what she uses to wash her face with. And at first I was like, I don't know about all that. So I'm going to show you what she used. She actually just uses this Dial soap, and make sure it's the gold. It costs probably about $2. I think you can probably buy a 3-pack on Amazon, whatever. But I just wanted to let you know what happened when I started using it. So it's probably been about 3 weeks, and I started using it because I've tried so many different products, and I've tried expensive products, and my goal when it comes to washing my face is just to make sure all my makeup is removed, make sure, you know, my skin isn't greasy or dry or anything like that. So here's my 3-week update. My skin actually is so clean. My skin has never been this clean and this soft. And the other thing that I've noticed is the pores. One thing I hate about my face is I have really large pores. And guys, this is actually making them shrink. They look a lot smaller. So I'm really happy with the results. And if you guys haven't tried this, you should probably run out and get it and give it a try. There's no guarantees. I don't want to say, and I don't even have a link or anything. I'm not trying to sell this to you by a link. I just want to let you know this is amazing, and you guys should check it out, especially if you're having issues with your skin, or if you have oily skin, or if you struggle getting, you know, all your makeup off. You should honestly check this out. And then come back and comment on this video and give me an update of what you thought about it.